last session just we had a discussion how to install Ubuntu, what is the need of virtual machine or virtual box, like we covered, right? So now the next thing we have to talk about the commands we require to discuss a bit in detail. Take very special care about this one. The commands we require to discuss, okay, related to this. The first command, sir, we have to discuss is ls command. Remember this one. The first command we have to discuss is ls command, okay. Like sir, what is the purpose of ls means what? Please confirm. ls means what? Sir, what is the meaning of ls means what? List, okay. Like ls means listing. Can you please list out? Just a listing. ls means list. Sir, now can you please list out, okay? Can you please list out all files under directories, present in the given directory. If we are not providing any directory, if we are not providing any directory, then it will list out in current working directory. Remember this one, current working directory, okay. Like sir, now what is the meaning? What is the meaning? How you can use this one, sir? Very simple. If I use lsdir1, okay, what is the meaning of this one? lsdir1, what is the meaning of this one is, can you please list out all files and directories present inside dir1? Remember a bit carefully, right? Okay, all files and directories present inside dir1. Suppose if I use just a simple dollar, okay, simple dollar ls, now it is going to list out all files and directories present in current working directory. Are you seeing the difference between these two things? Yes, friends, everyone in the position to understand? Everyone in the position to understand this? Okay. Like sir, observe that it will list out all files, and directories present in the given directory. It will sir, list out all files and directories present in the given directory, okay. Like sir, if we are not providing any directory, then it will list out all it will list out in current working directory. Yes, observe the difference between these two things, right? Okay. Like sir, just have a look once. I want to open the terminal. Can you please tell what is the shortcut? Please confirm, what is the shortcut to open the terminal? Yes, friends, I forgot. Control Alt T. Wow, cat. Control Alt T. Okay. Control Alt T. Okay. Like I want to increase the font. Can you please tell? I forgot how to increase the font. What is the way? Control Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. Okay. Remember to increase the font. Okay. Like now here just let me go to ls. In the current working directory, which things are there? All files and directories by default we are going to get. Are you in the position to understand, right? So it will list down all files and directories present inside current working directory, okay. So it's not working still. Copy paste option in my system, okay, even it is bi-directional, okay, still it is not working. Maybe we have to fix. Sir, here just observe a bit very carefully. Sir, here if you consider that, so this is ls command is going to list out all files and directories present in current working directory, okay. Like sir, scripts is there inside scripts, which things are there? I want to know. ls scripts is there. Inside scripts a.txt, b.txt, jj directory, and then test.sh is there. Are you in the position to understand, right? So what is the purpose of ls command? Okay, can you please list down all files and directories present in the current working directory? If you want to list out all files and directories present inside some other directory, then you have to specify this directory. Okay, like Deepak, are you getting? What is the meaning? What is the difference between these two things, right? But here one small thing I have to tell. Suppose if you, the people who are coming from Java background, sir, I want to know which classes are there, which methods are there in a particular class, or which classes are there in a particular package, like sir, how you can get that information? Can you please tell? Which methods are there, next which classes are there in a particular package? Sir, always we are always going to depends on documentation, correct, right? Documentation, it's always recommended to go for documentation kind of concept. If you are coming from Java background, Java background, so just a documentation, we will open the documentation and we will see complete information you are going to get. Okay, like but in the Linux, sir, we can use sir, that documentation as manual pages, manual pages are simply man pages. Okay, man pages, like okay, remember this one. So in Linux terminology, we can use the word man pages. Okay, like we can use this word, right? Now my question is sir, if you want to know any information about a command, always recommended to refer man pages. Okay, like so either books are going to provide or trainers are going to provide up to certain level, most commonly used options, most commonly used features only. If you want to know all everything, right? So best source is man pages, right? Are you getting? So how you can see man page for related to a particular command? Assume that, sir, what I have to take is dollar. What is the command I have to use? Man command. Remember that dollar. What is the command I require to use? Man command, sir, followed by our command we have to talk. Okay, so can you please provide man page related to this particular command? Okay, like suppose if I can use the word man followed by ls. Remember this one, it's always better to habitize to refer man pages, to refer man pages, right? Man followed by ls immediately. Do you know? So what is the man complete documentation related to ls command? By default you people are going to get, so not only ls command, for any command better to habitize to refer man pages. Everyone in the position to understand? I respond. Man pages are nothing but just like documentation, complete information about that particular command. Okay, like sir, here directly from the terminal you can get. Okay, here what I will take here is man ls. Now observe man ls. Can you please provide man pages related to ls command? Okay, like now observe that a bit very carefully. Sir, user commands ls list directory contents. Next and after the description, list information about the files. Okay, next sort entries alphabetically. Okay, like we have some here, enter, like all the options whatever there, it is going to provide, right? Okay, so if you feel difficulty, okay, to refer here, if you feel difficulty to refer here, what we have to take is, sir, manual pages got completed fresh. So how you can quit? So you have to use Q is sir, here just observe manual page line number 237 to 50, and please sir, please H for help or Q for quit. Sir, better to quit. Okay, like sir, here use quit. Okay, Q means quit. Now you will come out of the man pages. Okay, like so I hope, is it clear for all of you, right? Everyone in the position to understand? Of course, ls basic idea I'm telling, but all the options, majority of the options we are going to discuss, don't worry. Just aware to use sir man pages for every command if you want to get any information, right? All linux flavors, this type of support is already there. Don't worry at all. You are not required to remember array for the ls command how many options are there, so unnecessary. Don't overload your brain. Okay, all these things already available in your terminal itself. Okay, still some people are always going to face the problem, sir man ls, sir it is showing from the terminal. It is difficult from the terminal. It's difficult to read, sir. If it is available in the form of file, it will be good. Like you may ask, what you can do is, now observe that man ls man ls I'm taking. Now what this command will do, can you please spell out what this command will do? Man ls, if I can take what this command is going to do, that this command will, what this command is going to do, this command will provide documentation, right? So can you please save this documentation to a file? Okay, sir, here greater than symbol, this greater than symbol is called a redirection. Okay, greater than symbol is called redirection. Don't display this description documentation to the sir terminal. Can you please redirect it to ls underscore doc ls underscore doc dot txt? Any name you can use here, no problem at all. This is our file. Now observe carefully, right? Okay, now I'm using yes. Okay, now total description related to ls command is available inside this file. Okay, now you can open this file. Sir, have you observed, right? This file got generated, okay. Now if you want, you can gedit ls underscore doc dot txt, like you can see in the form of a file. Are you getting? Now you are not required to worry. Complete navigation is there in the notepad. Happily it's going to open, so that you won't miss anything, sir. Okay, I hope everyone in the position to understand. Any explanation is required? Can you please confirm? Okay, like sir, still, do you know, still sir, what you can do is still here, what you can do is here, just this is drag and drop I enable, but in my system it's not showing, but definitely it will work, sir. Here you can just drag and drop here. Okay, you can drag and drop here. Okay, drag and drop here. So here just observe that it should, if you can use a drag and drop, then happily, do you know, sir, happily this drag and drop is going to that file will be there on our windows desktop. If you want, you can take the printout. If you want, you can take the printout, and then you can. Okay, clear, right? So are you everyone in the position to understand how you can see the documentation? Yes, the total description will come out. You can drag this file to the windows platform, and you can take the printout, like happily you can refer wherever it is required. Clear for all of you, right? Now can you please cross check, is it came or not? No, because I told, right, there is some small problem I'm facing in my system. Those options are not working. Okay, don't worry at all. So clear for all of you, right? Any explanation is required? Yes. Yes, we can use a saved file for redirection, any kind of thing. It is one file. It is one file. Whatever you want to do, you can use that file. Suppose I want to know, array, how many lines are there in that file? Assume that. How many lines are there in that file? Okay, just what I have to take here, wc -l. What is the file, sir? ls underscore doc. Okay, so 250 lines are there in that file. Something like you can use. It is a normal file. Just so this is highly recommended. Any extension you can use, because in Linux extension is not at all important. Remember that. So my Linux are never going to consider about yes, this extension. Please make sure. Clear? Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay. Now this is what. So just what Swaroop? So Nirmal is asking, sir, can I use this file for our commands redirection sake or some other commands sake? Yes, you can use just like a normal file. That's what. Okay, we can use saved file for redirection. Yes, why not? You can use this file just like a normal file, like. So that's all. This is what man pages, importance of man pages. It's always a good programming practice to refer man pages. If you have any doubt on your particular command, don't refer Google. For the Linux, already man pages are there to provide information. Still in the man pages, if you are not getting, strictly speaking, man page is going to provide complete information. Still you are not understanding, if you want some example, like, then better to refer Google. Okay, this is the next level is the Google, not the first level contact. Man pages directly local, by default it's available. Okay, like, next, that's all. This is about importance of man page, just the basic introduction to ls command, right? Now here there are various options are there, various options for ls command. Remember, various options for the ls command we have to discuss, right? Sir, what is the first one is ls. Already I used it, sir. Any explanation is required about ls? It will display all files and directories present inside current working directory. Correct or not? It will list, here it will list out all files and directories, all files and directories present in current working directory. Current working directory I covered already. Current working directory in this, what is the very important, sir? Please observe that in alphabetical order, in alphabetical order. Okay, like, so it will list down all files and directories present in current working directory in alphabetical order. Okay, like, sir, really, is it showing in alphabetical order or not? Can you please cross check, sir? First, sir, here desktop, next documents, next download, next LLSMP, next, and after that public scripts, templates, videos. Are you seeing alphabetical order? Please confirm. Are you seeing alphabetical order here or not? Respond. Are you seeing alphabetical order or not? First starts with D, and then L, and then M, and then P, and then P, and then S, and then T, and then V. So D is the first, V is the last. Okay, so it's always by default ls command is always going to display the content in alphabetical order. Okay, like, sir, my requirement is I don't want alphabetical order. I want reverse of alphabetical order. Can you please display all files and directories in reverse of alphabetical order? This is my requirement, right? What we have to take, ls hyphen r, hyphen r. Hyphen r means, what is the meaning of hyphen r? Can you please spell out? Hyphen r means reverse, right? Okay, it will display, it will list out all files and directories, all files and directories. Okay, in reverse of alphabetical order, in reverse of alphabetical order, in reverse of alphabetical order. Sir, where is the proof for that? Okay, like, you can observe carefully, right? ls hyphen r. Okay, observe that. So first, which one came? Videos came, next templates, next scripts, next public, next pictures, next music. Okay, like, we are going to get. Please confirm. Everyone in the position to understand, not required to keep any explanation about this. So ls hyphen r option is always going to talk about that. Sir, can I go for next one, right? Yes, friends. Okay, like, this is about ls hyphen r. Now ls hyphen l, very important, sir. ls hyphen l. Okay, to display in long listing form, in long listing form, to display in long listing form. Remember this one, sir. I want to display in the long listing form. How you can do that, into display in long listing form? How we can do that, sir? Sir, it's a very simple. ls hyphen l. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. ls hyphen l. Okay, it is going to display in the long listing form. Okay, like, sir, observe that total, sir, 48, something like 48 bytes, 48. So here total just 48. Here just observe that. Here, do you know, this is the desktop, This is the downloads. Okay, this is the desktop, this is the downloads or something like music, like all. So alphabetical order, but it is in long listing form. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. It is in long listing form. Okay, like sir, this line is the most valuable, very important for us. Okay, this line itself is very important for us, right? Okay, so copy option is not working. Somewhere I copied this. Okay, this type of format. Yeah, here just observe that. Just have a look once about this one, sir. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one, sir? Here just have a look once, sir. Sir, here this is the long listing format. This is the long listing format. Okay, like sir, what is the meaning of all these things? It is a very important terminology. You people should aware clearly, right? Okay, sir, what the important, what is the important terminology? Yes, here observe carefully, right? Okay, sir, here just have a look once about this. This is my content. This is the content what we have. Now have a look once, sir. Very important terminology, sir. Here please make sure the first character. What is the first character, sir? Anyone, can you please tell? We covered already. The first character represent type of file. Okay, type of file. Is it normal file, ordinary file, or is it a directory file, or is it a link file, character special file, block special file, or socket file? Like you have the first character is going to talk. Next, and after that, the remaining nine characters. The remaining nine characters, these nine characters are called permissions. Permissions. Remember this one, sir. These remaining nine characters are called permissions. We will discuss in detail about these permissions. Don't worry. There is a separate topic is there. Okay. Next, after that, here one is there. Can you please spell out what is the meaning of this one? One means anyone, can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? One is there. After permissions, one is there. Okay, what this means is the number of link files, not one user. The number of link files, the number of link files. Next, this Durga is a user name, user or owner name. Who is the owner of this file? Okay, user or owner name. Okay, user or owner name. Next, this user or owner belongs to which group? This is what group name. Remember that, sir. This is group name. Okay, like next, and after that, sir, here zero is there. This zero means zero means okay, here the size of the file. Array, how much size is there? Size of the file. Next, and after that, sir, this one is sir, created time or last modified time. Remember this a bit very carefully, sir. This is created time or last modified time. Created time or last modified time. Remember, right? Next, do you know, sir, a b c d e f dot txt, this is the name of the file. This is the name of the file or directory, name of a file. Okay, like sir, have you observed, just whenever we are using the command ls hyphen l, so it will display, sir, in long format, long form. Okay, what is the meaning of long form is all these things by default will be there. But anyway, file permission, link files, and username, group name, like all these things will be covered in the next level. Just aware, sir. If you want full form, then better to go for ls minus l, ls hyphen l. Any doubt? Yes, friends. Everyone in the position to understand? Oh, respond. So just whenever we are taking ls-l, how much information we are going to get? Complete information we will get, sir. That is the beauty, right? Okay, remember a bit very carefully, right? What is the, yeah, that's what normal we will discuss. Every user in Linux belongs to some group. Okay, this user belongs to which group? Which group? In the file permissions I will discuss in detail, don't worry as of now. So it's not correct time to talk about groups owners like. Okay, that's it. So this is about what is the long listing, right? So what is the first one? Can you please spell out? Type of the file. Second one, permissions. Permissions are nine characters are there. Next one means the number of link files. Next and after that, username or owner name, group name. Next the size, how much size this file contain. Next and after that, the last modified or created time. Next abcf .txt means the name of the file. Okay, so this is the complete information you people are going to get once we are using ls-l option, right? Okay, well, sir, now the fourth one I'm ready to take. Sir, observe a bit very carefully. The fourth one I'm ready to take here. Just observe. So here my requirement is, if I use the word, if I use the word here, just observe carefully, right? If I use the word ls hyphen l or ls, okay, ls, by default it is always going to display based on alphabetical order, correct, right? Yes, friends, it's always going to display based on alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Okay, like, sir, now my requirement is, boss, can you please display? Can you please display? Sir, all files based on last modified date and time. Most recent should be at the top and the old one should be at the bottom. Okay, based on creation time or based on last modified time, I want ls hyphen t. Sir, hyphen t means sir, creation or modified last modification time, last modified time. Okay, like so it will arrange all the files and directories based on time, based on last modified time or based on the creation time. Okay, like so most recent will be at the top. Most recent will be at the top, and old are at the bottom. Old are at the bottom. Remember this one, sir. Most recent will be at the top and the old are at the bottom. Okay, like now have a look once, sir. ls normal l full listing I'm taking, sir. So here, do you know, there are some files which are created at sir 1240, which are created at 1240. There are some files are there. Okay, like next there are some files are there which are created at sir this is 11 this is 905 something, like there are some files are there which are created yet. Okay, like we have this one. So observe carefully, right? We have this. Now my question is, it is by default displayed which order? Which order? Can you please confirm? By default it is displayed which order? Respond. Which order? By default it is displayed alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. It never worry about Yeah, friends. So I hope now, can you please cross check? Can you please cross check? Is it everything is visible, right? Yes, friends. Yeah. Now observe that. Yes, yes. Here the power gone. Yes. Have a look once about this terminology, right? So now my requirement is I want to display all files. I want to display all directories. Okay, based on sir last modified time or creation time. L yes, iPhone L long listing I want, but time also I'm adding. Now most recent will be on the top and the old files will be at last. Remember this one. Most recent will be at the top and the old files will be at last. Have a look once. Have a look once. Can you please tell March 27? Okay, 11/25. Sir, this file got created, which is at the top. Okay, next March 26, sir, 2105. This is at the next. Sir, have you observed, right? Sir, which is the most recent will be at the top? Most recent will be at the top, and the remaining things should be at last. I hope everyone in the position to understand. Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Is it audible, right? Yes. Okay. So this is suppose my requirement is, sir, observe a bit carefully about this one. Sir, my requirement is I want I want sir old files should be at the top. Old files should be at the top. Old files should be at the top, and most recent should be at the bottom. Most recent should be at the bottom. Can you please confirm how you can do that? Anyone, can you please guide, sir? L yes, hyphen L T R. Are you getting? Hyphen L T R. Okay, T R. Now observe that L yes hyphen L T R. Okay, like if I can take this one, now definitely most recent will be at the bottom and the old files should be at the top. If you want, just have a look once, sir. L yes hyphen L T R. Now observe that, sir. Here old files are at the top. Old files are at the top, and the most recent files at the bottom. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, like so this is what you people should aware clearly about these things, right? Okay, ls hyphen l. Okay, like now here you may have very important points, sir. Is if multiple options I require to use, just take a bit special care. At last I will explain much about this point, but anyway, just aware. If multiple options I require to use, ls hyphen l hyphen t hyphen r, like sir, here do you know all I want long listing, I want based on the time, and I want in reverse order. In reverse order, like so multiple options you can use simultaneously. Okay, like but whenever we are using multiple options simultaneously, okay, you are not required to specify separately like this. Okay, sir, ls hyphen l I want, hyphen t I want, hyphen r I want. Yes, we are going to get the same answer. But instead of that, ls hyphen ltr, yes, it is also valid. We are going to get the same output only. Next, one more important point is, sir, here the order is not important. Okay, here you can take LTR, LRT, or otherwise RLT. Like in any order you can take, no issue at all. Any doubt? So you can take either in this order, in this order, in this order. Output is always the same. So can I use multiple options simultaneously or not? What the answer? Please confirm. Can I use multiple options simultaneously or not? Yes, we can use. Whenever we are using multiple options simultaneously, then the order is not important. Clear, right? Any doubt? Any explanation is required? Okay. Hyphen symbol, sir, you have to take only once, that thing is enough. Hyphen symbol, we have to take only one time. You are not required to take multiple times, but compulsory one time you have to take. Yes, normal. Getting? So that's all. So this is about okay, ls hyphen ltr based on the time. Okay, like sir, now my question is, now observe that, sir, here, do you know, do you know if you consider ls, it is always going to display. No sir, hyphen mean optional part. What is the meaning of hyphen mean? Normal, I didn't get your doubt. Hyphen L is optional. Yes, hyphen L is optional. So you are not required to take hyphen L. Why I took hyphen L here is, what is the reason for that is, so if it is in long form, you can understand very easily. Okay, like suppose L, yes, just hyphen TR I took. If I can take hyphen TR, yes, valid. But here you can't see, sir, much clearly, because it is not going to display, it is not going to display, sir, time, right? That's why I use hyphen L. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Okay, like sir, now the next one, by default ls command won't display hidden files. By default ls command won't display hidden files, correct, right? It is not going to display, it is not going to display hidden files, sir. I want hidden files information also. This is my requirement, right? Okay, what is the way? ls hyphen a. Can you please confirm what is the command we require to use? ls hyphen a. Hyphen a means all. Hyphen a means all. Okay, like so ls hyphen a means all. Okay, like so it will display, it will display, do you know, all files including hidden files also. Okay, like now observe that, here dot bash history dot bash rc dot cache dot config, like there are multiple files you are going to see. If any file name starts with the dot symbol, is by default considered yes hidden files. Remember this one, sir. Sir, here, what about these two things? Can you please spell out the first two things, right? Have you observed, right? Yes, you can use that also, Viraj. No problem at all. Sir, here just observe that Viraj is asking, sir, can I use like ALTR? Is it possible or not? What the answer? Yes, friends. What the answer we are going to get? Is it valid or not? Yes, 100% pakka. This one is valid. There is no problem at all. Okay, like now my question is, there is one small twist is there here. What the twist is? Sir, have you remembered dot under dot? What is the meaning of this one? Dot under dot, the first two things, every directory internally contain two hidden directories. One is a dot, second one is dot. Single dot represents current working directory, double dot represents parent directory. Remember, I hope you people may aware. Okay, if I use lswc hyphen l, okay, array, how many things are there? By default 10. So not hidden files, by default 10 are there, sir. Okay, by default 10 are there, not including hidden file. If I can take ls hyphen a wc hyphen l, how many are there? 27 are there. Means how many hidden files are there? Can you please confirm? How many hidden files are there? 27 means 17 hidden files are there. Okay, clear. Yeah, Deepak. So you missed last sessions, it seems. Can you please just go through the previous videos? You will get much clarity. Okay, like sir, now observe that WC ls hyphen a WC hyphen L. WC hyphen L means nothing, sir. Array, in these how many lines are there? Okay, 27. Okay, 17 hidden files are there. Okay, excellent. Now there is one option is there. Okay, ls hyphen capital A. What is the difference between capital A? Swarup, WC-L we will discuss in detail. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just how many such files are there? For that, just use WC-L. But there is a separate discussion is there. Next, L, yes, capital A. What is the meaning of capital A, sir? Yes, friends. Anyone, can you please confirm capital A? Capital A. Okay. Sir, small a means response. Small a means, yo, small a means all. Small a means all. Capital A means almost all. Capital A means almost all. Almost all. Don't feel it is my created word. It is as per manual pages only, man pages only, right? Man, sir, ls. Now observe that. Are you seeing anywhere small a? Here have we observed, right? Okay, small a means sir, all. Next, capital A, hyphen capital A means almost all. Almost all, what it means is, do not list sir these two things, except these two, except these two. All the remaining files will be displayed, including hidden files. But what is the difference between sir, here small a and capital A mean except these two? Array, I don't want these because anyway I know these two things are available in every folder. Then don't show these things. Except these, all the remaining things I want. That is the meaning of that. Okay, like so except which things, right? Except dot and dot. Except dot and dot. All remaining things will be displayed. All remaining things will be displayed. Okay, where is the proof for that? Just have a look once, sir. Ls. So hidden files won't be displayed. Hidden files won't be displayed. ls hyphen a, everything will be displayed, including hidden files also. Yes, here dot bash rc dot bash all the hidden files under these two also displayed. Okay, now I'm taking ls hyphen capital A. Now observe, all the things are displayed. All the things are displayed. Only difference is dot and dot won't be there. That is the what difference. Okay, so just we will discuss hidden files at the separate concept is there. There we are going to talk about that. Okay, like so up to this you people should aware clearly, right? So now have a look once, sir. L, yes. Okay, wc hyphen l. Okay, what the answer we are getting? 10. Have you remember, right? 10 we are getting. L, yes, hyphen a, wc hyphen l. Okay, what the answer we are going to get? 20. What the answer we are getting? 27. So it will display all files, including hidden files also. ls ls okay, ls hyphen capital A, wc hyphen l. Can you please tell now what is the answer we are going to get? Please respond. Yes, everyone, can you please respond? What is the answer we are going to get now? Please respond, each and every person. What is the answer we are going to get? Array, answer is the same except two files. Which two files, right? Dot and dot. That's why what answer we are going to get? 25. Clear, right? That's all. So this is sir option what we have. Next, one more thing is there, sir. L, yes, L, yes, hyphen capital F. Remember this one, sir. ls hyphen capital F to display all files by type. Remember this one. So by type, to display all files by type. By type also. Array, what is the meaning of type, sir? Is it link file? Is it directory file? Is it executable file? Okay, by type like so how it is going to display? Just have a look once about this one. ls hyphen f. Now observe a bit very carefully, sir. By file type, f means file type. Okay, now if it is the directory, okay, if it is the directory ends with the slash symbol will come. if it is the directory ends with the slash symbol will come. Remember that. Okay, so here for the directory, okay, directory, sir, ends with the sir slash symbol will be there. If it is executable file, executable file means our script files like at the end star symbol will be there. Star symbol means executable file. Next link file, link file is there at the end, at the red symbol will be there. Okay, I want to display the files with slash symbol at the red symbol, I mean file type, then better to go for -f option. Please make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, ls-f. Okay, well, here only directories and normal files are there. Let me go to ls-f slash bin. I'm taking, sir, ls-f/bin in the bin which things are there. Okay, like have you observed, right? Sir, here I'm getting zcat star, zcmp star. What is the meaning of star? Please confirm. What is the meaning of star? If the file ends with a star means what is the executable file? It is just like a script or command. Executable file, it is just like a script or command. Okay, jet def, jet force, like all these things are commands. Do you know all these things? Chmod is a command, executable. That's why, like, next some places you are going to say at the rate symbol. What is the meaning of at the rate symbol? Is a link file. At the rate symbol means a link file. Remember this one, sir. Link file, like so. Just a user ls-f/bin in the bin directory. Can you please list out all the files by type? By type, this is the command what I used, right? So if it is the directory, ends with the slash. If it is the executable file, ends with the star. If it is the link file, ends with at the rate symbol. Any doubt? What is the meaning of file type? Okay, it's a clear for you people, right? Next there is one more option is there, ls hyphen small f is there. ls hyphen small f is there. Okay, like sir, all these options generally we are not going to use, don't worry, but just at least for the first command let me cover as many options are as possible so that you will get much clarity. Sir, ls if I use, sir, now someone asked, maybe some student asked, sir, why some are in the white color, some are in the blue color, like who asked this doubt? Deepak, I hope. Deepak, so you asked this doubt. Okay, do you know this blue color represents directories? Remember this one, this blue color represent directories. Normal means except blue color all the remaining are files. Okay, like so now my requirement is, this color convention is always creating the problem. Okay, because it is not fixed, varied from system to system. Okay, like varied from flavor to flavor. Can you please disable colors? Can you please disable colors? I don't want colors, disable colors. Then we require to use ls-f. ls-f we require to use. Have you observed, right? Now you never going to see any colors at all. Okay, but it is going to display by default hidden files also. You never going to see anywhere colors at all. Colors, so it is number of files got increased means it is covering including hidden files also. Can you list out all files including hidden files, hidden file, but disable colors, disable color conventions, right? So this is about ls-f. Deepak, are you there? I hope your doubt also got clarified. What is the meaning of, sir, why the blue colors came? Blue colors means directories. I don't want that color combination, color convention. Can you please list out all the things, like then we require to use ls-f. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, like sir, up to this have you observed multiple options we covered? Plain ls, ls-r, reverse of alphabetical order, long listing. Next and after that, based on the time, most recent will be at the top and the oldest files will be at the last. If you want reverse, then add r. Okay, like next, all files including hidden files -a. I want all the things except a dot and a dot dot hyphen capital A. Next, ls-f means capital F means file type, small f means disable colors. Okay, like sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss is ls hyphen I. Sir, have you remember what is the meaning of hyphen I? Anyone having the idea? Anyone having the idea? Let's hyphen I means do you know, take very special care about this one. So I node number, not size, I node number to display all files, including inode number, maybe user by super user, including inode number. What is the meaning of inode? Means index node. Okay, remember I means index node, like index node. Okay, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that, sir? Sir, do you know, for every file, okay, just if you observe that for every file, suppose assume that this is my file, sir, all its attributes will be stored inside some memory somewhere. Okay, remember this one. All these attributes, are what is the file size, what is the last modified time, who is the owner of this file, what is the what this owner belongs to which group, next last creation time, last modified time, what is the size, like for every file these attributes will be stored somewhere in the memory. That memory address itself is considered as inode. That address of the memory where file attributes are stored is called inode, or simple we can use the word index node. Everyone in the position to understand? Okay, index node, like so for every file, okay, for every file, so there is its attributes will be stored in the memory somewhere. The address of that location, the address of that attributes location is called inode number. Okay, like so inode is the address of location where file attributes are stored. So do you know, it includes the file attributes includes do you know the size of the file, number of links to the file, next owner name, group name, group name, creation time, last modified time. Okay, like such type of information will be stored inside the inode. Clear, right? If you want to display its inode number also, what is the way, sir? Happily you can use ls hyphen I. Okay, like is this one. Next and after that, the inode number is this. Sir, for this directory inode number like this. Okay, like sir, is it possible to use ltra? Okay, ltri. Yes, why not? Happily you can use, no problem. This is the inode number. Next and after that, this is the remaining whatever we discussed. Viraj, your doubt got clarified, I hope. Clear, right? If you want to know inode number also, then we require to use then we require to use this. Then we require to use mostly used by super user. Sir, being a normal user, we never going to use super. Okay, like sir, now the next thing we have to talk about. Can you please confirm audio is clear? Respond. Yes. Can you please cross check audio is the clear? Yeah. Now I hope it should be. So from the mobile I connected. Okay, now it's clear. Yeah. Now observe a bit carefully. That's all. Sir, just I have one more very important doubt is there, sir. What's my doubt is, do you know here ls I'm using, ls I'm using in the ls, in the current working directory, which files and directories are there? It is displaying. It is displaying, right? By default, it's displaying. But now my question is, array, in the desktop, there are some files are there, or in the scripts there are some files are there. Let me cross check. Let me cross check here. Okay, cd. Okay, cd desktop I'm taking. Cd desktop I'm taking. So in the desktop nothing is there. Okay, well, sir, here let me go to scripts ls, like array, in the scripts already there are some files are available or not? a.txt, b.txt, jj, test.sh, like we have already some files. Okay, we have already some files. But the problem here is, by default, ls command never going to talk about subdirectory contents. Correct or not? Correct or not? Array, it is showing up to scripts only. Inside scripts there are some files are there. Why it is not displaying? It is not displaying, right? My requirement is, boss, I I want, boss, I want all the subdirectory files also. Boss, I want all subdirectory files also, means including. Then we have to use ls hyphen r. Okay, what is that, sir? ls hyphen r, correct? Okay, list dir in Python. So like ls hyphen r hyphen r means recursive. Hyphen r means recursive. Okay, like hyphen r means recursive. Okay, like now observe ls command output ls hyphen r. Now it is going to tell, so directory wise internally which contents are there. Okay, like directory wise internally which contents are there, it is always going to show. Now observe that here. Have a look once, sir. In the desktop nothing is there. In the documents nothing is there. In the downloads nothing is there. In the music nothing is there. Pictures nothing is there. In the public nothing is there. But inside the scripts a.txt, b.txt, sir, jj, test.sh. Now jj is the subdirectory. Inside scripts jj nothing is there. Okay, templates, like so is it going for all levels or not? Yes, friends. Yes, friends. So what is the meaning of, what is the meaning of r hyphen capital R? Okay, hyphen small r means do you know, reverse. Small r means reverse. But capital R means recursive. Take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Capital R hyphen capital R means recursive. Okay, like any doubt? So clear, not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Okay, like sir, now my next question is, my next option is ls. Okay, sir, I want to know, I want to know the size also. Can you please spell out size also? I want to use. Can you please spell out size also? I want ls hyphen yes. Hyphen yes. Yes means size. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. The number of blocks, the number of blocks used, the number of blocks used, like one block is equal to 1 KB. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. One block is equal to 1 KB. 1 KB. Okay, like sir, where is the, what is the meaning of that? Okay, just observe. L yes hyphen l I'm taking. Can you please Observe a bit very carefully about this one. Array, it is telling that 4 bytes, 4 bytes, 4 bytes. Okay, like 4 kb, 4 kb, like it's going to show something. It's going to show something like now let me use here ls hyphen L, yes also. Hyphen L, yes. Hyphen L means long listing. Yes means size in blocks. Size in blocks. Okay, like now observe this. Here 4096 means 4 blocks used, sir, for this directory. Next 4 blocks used for document. Next 4 blocks used for downloads. But for this file, how many blocks users are? 12 blocks user, 12 blocks used for this. Okay, like so it's a clear for all of you, right? Okay, remember a bit very carefully, sir. Internally, okay, like sir, I want to represent the blocks also. The block sizes are varied. Internally it is varied from flavor to flavor. Don't worry at all, sir. How many blocks used, how many blocks used by our files and directories, I want to know. Then in some flavors, one block is nothing but 1 kb, or sir, in some flavors 4 kb also. Okay, not 1 MB. Was they ready? Why? Because for every directory by default it's going to be reserved. So for blocks. Okay, 4096 memory reserved for every directory. In that directory the content keep on increasing. Now that directory, sir, size is also going to increase. Normal. Getting right? Okay, sir. Next, sir, this is about ls hyphen s. Hyphen s means size, the number of blocks used also it is going to display. Okay, next, ls, okay, sorry, here ls hyphen h. ls hyphen h. Anyone, can you please tell what is the meaning of hyphen h? Please confirm. Anyone, can you please tell what is the meaning of hyphen h? Hyphen h means human readable form. Sir, multiple places we are going to use this one. Human readable form. Hyphen h means human readable form. Take very special care about this terminology, right? What is the meaning of hyphen h? Hyphen h means human readable form. Okay, like sir, now what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that, sir? ls hyphen l. Okay, ls hyphen l. Observe the output, sir. We only with respect to the memory. Here only difference will be there, sir. 4096 something like we have. Now ls hyphen lh I'm taking. LH human readable form. Sir, are you seeing the difference, right? Are you seeing the difference, right? 4k 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 8.1 4k 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 something like. I hope, is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, so how it is going to, how it is going to be there? It's a just if it is in terms of MB, it is going to tell 4 MB. If it is in terms of GB, it is going to tell 4 GB, something like. So human readable form, sir, where is the difference? Only with respect to memory, it is the difference. For multiple commands, we have this type of option is there. Remember that. Clear? Almost, sir, huge number of options we covered only for ls command. Now observe that ls by default it's going to display. By default it is going to display ls hyphen h means human readable form, but you never going to see. Okay, just observe that. That's all. Okay, human readable form with respect to memory, so meaningful whenever we are using hyphen l. Swarup, getting right? Meaningful whenever we are using hyphen l. ls hyphen lh, then it will become meaningful. Getting? It is just like normal ls only. Normal ls only, because you are not displaying the memory. Whenever you are displaying the memory size, then only hyphen h is meaningful. If you are not going to display, sir, memory, then there is no use of that. Okay. Sir, now here by default ls command is always going to display in alphabetical order. I don't want alphabetical order. Better to go for reverse of alphabetical order -r. I want a long listing. Every information I want related to files and directories. Better to go for -l. Next, -t means based on last modified time. I want to list down the most recent files will be at the top, old files will be at the last. Okay, like next, if you want a reverse of that, yes, you can add r also for that. Next, sir, -a means almost all including hidden files. Next, the capital A means almost all. Capital A means almost all. Sir, capital F means to display all files by type. Remember this one. Directory means a slash symbol, executable file means a star symbol, link file means at the rate. Okay, like so this is next. If you want to disable colors, better to go for -f. I want to display including inode number, better to go for -i. I want to display recursive including subdirectory contents also. I want better to go for -r. Next, -s means sir, can you please specify number of blocks used? The number of blocks used by file or directory. Better to go for -s. -h means human readable form for memory statistics. Human readable form for memory statistics. Then we can go for okay -h option. Okay, clear. Any doubt or any explanation is required up to that? Are you getting? Sir, why I'm covering these many options is just for the first command, better to have idea. Okay, like for the remaining, whether this option is there or not, if you want to know, better to go for man pages. Then complete man pages are going to provide clear information, right? Okay, well, sir, now my question is here. Just observe a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, here suppose here how many files are there? Oddly some 10 or 12, 10 files are there, sir. 10 files, okay, you can see, you can see 10 files, 10 files, sir. But now my requirement is suppose 1,000 files are there. Okay, 1,000 files are there, sir. Suppose ls hyphen etc is there. Wow, how many things are there? ls hyphen l hyphen l. Sir, here just observe that carefully. ls hyphen l slash etc is there. Slash etc is there. Now observe that. How many are there? Do you know? There are huge number. There are huge number of things are there. Okay, let me cross check how many are there. Slash etc. Next, and after that wc hyphen l. Oh, 212 is there, sir. 212 is there. Uh, uh, Ashutosh, 48 means total blocks used. Total blocks used. Okay. Now here just ls hyphen l slash etc wc hyphen l. Okay, 212 is there, sir. But if I use a 212, can I see at a time? I have to navigate or not? Ray, can you please spell out? I have to navigate or not? Yes. So you have to move the cursor from top to bottom. Then you can see. Then you have to see this one, right? But now my question is, boss. Okay, if a huge content, huge, if my listing contain huge number of files, how you can see that? Okay, for that there is some options are available. Okay, don't worry, sir. These commands we will discuss in detail. ls hyphen l. Okay, anyway, sir, now you require to use head. Sir, you require to use head option, right? What is the meaning of head option? It's a very simple. Take a bit special care about this one. Sir, what is the meaning of head option is? Now have a look once. Head means top. Header part means, sir, suppose ls hyphen l. Okay, sorry, ls hyphen l slash etc. Okay, now I'm taking just only head. Observe that. what will happen is only first 10 lines only it is going to display. Now observe that only first 10 lines only it is displaying. It is not going to display all 212 things. Clear, right? Are you getting? It is not going to display all the 212, all the 212 by default 10 lines. If it is not having 10 lines, then it's going to display only available lines. Only available lines. Sir, here observe that. Observe carefully. Here, if I can take ls-l, okay, like ls-l slash etc. Inside etc folder, how many files and directories? Can you please list out long form? Then it is going to display 212 some entries. Are you getting? How many entries it is going to display? 212 entries. But anyway, boss, I don't want 212. Only top 10 entries are enough. Then we have to go for like only top 10 entries we are going to get. Okay, sir, I don't want top 10. I want top 20 entries I require. Then head hyphen 20 we have to take. Remember this one. Top 20 entries. This number, anything you can take. iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 20, like anything you can specify. Now observe that carefully. Sir, ls iPhone l etc. Sir, here head I'm taking, sir. If I can use head, only 10 lines only we are going to get. We are not going to get almost around all available to 12 lines. Yes, Swaroop, getting the point? Okay, now I'm taking head minus 3. I'm taking only 3 lines we are going to get. Sir, this is the first line, this is the first line, second line, and the third line. Okay, if a huge content is there, I don't want to display total content. I want only top 5 lines, top 10 lines. Then we require to use head option. Remember, right? Similarly, if you want to get the last 10 lines, then we require to use bottom. Okay, last 10 lines, l yes hyphen l. Okay, here I have to take bottom. Here I have to take bottom. Bottom means a tail. Tail we require to use. Tail we require to use. Then so last 10 lines will be displayed. Okay, sir, Sri Lakshmi is asking, I want to display top 30 lines. Then very simple, sir. Here iPhone 30, iPhone 30, iPhone 30. Then top 30 entries it's going to display. By default 10. So we will discuss head command in detail. Just a basic idea, but this is about it is about it's already I mean, this command we will discuss in detail. Just aware, oh, this type of option is there for us. Clear, Sri Lakshmi? Sai Lakshmi, sorry, Swaroop. Okay, yeah, Nirmal, I will come. So here just observe that ls-l tail, last 10 lines it is going to display. ls-l, sir, here tail by default tail is always going to display last 10 lines. Okay, this is the last 10 lines it's going to display. Last 3 lines I want, last 3 lines I want. Tail-3, sir, last 3 lines only we are going to get. Okay, like so if you want last 10 lines, if you want last 20 lines, like how you can, that's all. Next, was already is asking, I want to display lines from 20 to 30 only. Boss, there is some option is there while covering head and tail. Such a type of things I will explain. Just aware. So our concentration is ls. For the ls in combination we can use head and tail. So was they already is asking, just was they already doubt is observe carefully for the remaining people also. Sir, this is my requirement, right? Sir, I want to display in between only from 20 to 30. Is it possible or not? 100% pakka possible. We will discuss this type of options while covering head and tail commands in detail. Clear, right? Any doubt? Respond. Okay, sir, Nirmal, you're asking some doubt. ls-l, sir, here what is the meaning of 20 48? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of 48? This 48 means 48 blocks used by all these files and directories. That is the meaning. 48 blocks used by all these files and directories. Okay, that is the meaning, number of blocks. Clear. Next, one more thing I have to discuss for you. So now my requirement is I don't want so top 10 lines, bottom 10 lines, top 5 lines, bottom 5 lines. This type of thing I don't want. Hare, can you please display page by page? Okay, page by page. Okay, then we require to go for ls -l /etc. Okay, now I have to take less, sir, more or less, like these options also we have to use. Okay, do you know, sir, more and less, these two things are also comments. Okay, like head and tail comments. More and less, to display page by page. Remember this one, sir. To display, sir, first page, second page, third page, fourth page, like a page by page I want. Then we require to go for more or less. These two options, right? Okay, like next, more or less. More means page by page. Page by page we require to use. But here, take very special care about what is the difference between these two things is just aware, just a basic idea. But while covering, sir, more and less, I will discuss in detail. Sir, more and less. Anyone, can you please tell which is more powerful? Which is more powerful, more or less? Array, powerful man. More or less? Please confirm. Can you please guess? Is it more or less? Which is the more powerful? Okay. Ah, so definitely, it will be less is more powerful, not more. If more is more powerful, then I won't ask this question. Observe that less is more powerful. What is the reason for that? Is by using more, we can view page content. We can view the content page by page only in forward direction. Only in forward direction. Okay, page by page only. Page by page only in forward direction. Okay, lesser, sir, page by page, but both in forward, and backward direction, backward direction, like this is. Now observe that, sir, here in your what we have in your keyboard, page up, page down, page down, page down, page down, page up, page up, page up is there, like page by page you can view the content, correct or not? Are you saying right? Page up, now page down, page down, page down, page down, page down, next page, next page, next page, like it is going to display the same kind of thing is there. To display, to view these listing, we require to use either less or more. Okay, ls-l sir /etc is there. Okay, like so there's almost 212 things display directly at a time, but I don't want at a time, sir. Here more I'm taking, sir. Yeah, it is first page only displayed. Have you observed, right? Only first page displayed. Now I want to go to the next page. Space we have to use. Space, next page, next page, next page, next page. Okay, more, next page, next page, next page, not enter space I require to use. Okay, now it will go to the last page by page. All the contents is going to be displayed if you want, like okay, page by page. Similarly, less is also same, but the biggest specialty of less is you can move to the next page, you can go to the previous page. But more means it is always going for the next page only. Clear, right? But while discussing more or less, we will discuss in detail, don't worry at all. Yes, everyone, can you please confirm? Swaroop, nothing, man. Here it's a very clearly I specified why you are getting the doubt. More, more, more means okay, page by page only in forward direction. You can always ask next page. We can always ask next page. Okay, like sir, here you can always ask next page and the previous page also. Okay, Array, what is the next page, and you can ask about previous page also. But in the case of more, you can't ask previous page. Okay, for that some options are there. Okay, we will discuss in detail while covering these commands. Don't worry. Getting right? B, D, like there are some options are there. Sir, B and D, like there are some options. Okay, we will discuss in detail. Just aware the basic idea. Next, moreover, our concentration is always ls command, not these commands. Okay, these commands I will discuss, but basic idea sake, just I'm telling boss, if my listing contain 1,000 files are there, how I can see all the 1,000 files at a time? It's very difficult. Array, for that you can see, sir, by using head command, tail command, more command, less command, like happily you can use, like that's about my intention. Clear, right? Sir, anywhere if you want to get out of the page, better to use q you have to use Viraj. In more or less, if you want to come out of the page, better to use q, Viraj. Okay, suppose I enter more, I want to come out, q, then you will come out, q you have to use. Okay, that's all. Next, have you remembered one? That's all. This is one case. If the listing contain huge number of files, how you can see page by page, or how you can see only particular lines, top 10 lines or bottom 10 lines, or top 3 lines, bottom 3 lines, like how you can do. These options are there for us. Okay, like sir, what is the next thing we have to talk in detail? Take a bit special care. So, do you know another note? Is it possible to use multiple options simultaneously or not? Can you please confirm? Is it possible to use multiple options simultaneously or not? Yes, we can use these options simultaneously. Sir, up to these, how many options we covered for the F command? Hyphen R we used. Hyphen L we used. Hyphen T we used. Next, hyphen any other? A we covered. Hyphen capital A we discussed. Next, and after that, hyphen capital F. Next, hyphen small f. Next, hyphen S we covered. Size. Hyphen I we discussed. Next, hyphen capital R also we covered. Next, hyphen H we covered. Okay, like. Sir, have you remembered all these options we discussed already? Small a, capital A. There is a difference there. Small f, capital F. There is a difference is there. Small r, capital R. There is a difference is there. Hyphen R means, sir, hyphen small r means, sir, just a reverse. Hyphen capital R means recursive. Observe that there is a difference. Sir, we can use these options simultaneously. No problem at all. Okay, remember, whenever we are using simultaneously, order is not important. Order is not important. Remember this a bit carefully, sir. So here you can take hyphen L, hyphen T, hyphen R. Instead of that, sir, you can combine all these things, L, T, R, or you can take L, R, T, L, R, T, or you can take RTL. Okay, RTL. Okay, like you can. Order is not important. Please make sure you should aware. Any doubt? Yeah, you can cross check, Nirmal. I didn't check. Please check that. Okay, so that's all. Is it going to by default? Is it going to display? Is it going to consider subdirectory content or not? Just cross check once. Okay, that's all. So this is this part already I covered. Order is not important. Remember, all these commands are equal, produces same result. Remember, right? Okay, like sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss, sir, my requirement is which command will list all files, which command will list all files including hidden files, including hidden files, including hidden files with their inode numbers, with their inode numbers. Can you please tell which command can do all these activities? I want to list out all files including hidden files with their inode numbers. ls. Okay, list including hidden files means hyphen a, with the inode numbers means I. Are you getting? So that's all. ls hyphen ai. So which command will long listing, long listing of all files, long listing of all files, including hidden files, including hidden files, hidden files, sorted by modification date, sorted by modification date, sir, oldest first, oldest first. Okay, can you please spell out which option we require to use? Which option we require to use? Sir, this order is not important. In any order you can take, no problem at all. Yes, Farooq. Order is not important. In any order you can take. All these commands will produces the same result. Sir, here hyphen ai is valid or ia is also valid. Same thing only. ia is also acceptable. Okay, like, sir, what about this long listing of all files? ls, long listing means l, including hidden files means a. Next, sorted by modification date means t, but oldest first means r. Are you getting? Oldest first means r. Any doubt? Beautiful. ls hyphen l a r. Okay, like, sir, now is these two things will produce the same output or not? Is these two things will produce the same output or not? Please confirm. Okay, well, next same. Next, ls hyphen r, ls hyphen rt. Sir, these two things will produce same output. Is these two things will produce same output? Yes or no? No, because it is always going to display in reverse of alphabetical order, in reverse of alphabetical order. But this one is in reverse of modification time, modification time, date and time, modification date and time. In reverse of modification date and time, oldest first. That's all. Here alphabetical order won't be considered. Both are different. Remember a bit carefully about this one. That's all. Okay. Next, we covered some way how to identify hidden files. Can you please tell how, when you can confirm it is the hidden file? If the name of the file starts with the, if the name of the file starts with the dot, sir, if the name of the file starts with the dot, it is considered as hidden file. That's all. This is a story about ls command. I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? Any doubt up to this? Clear, right? Okay, just yeah, that's all. Just to take few minutes break and then I will continue again. Yeah, we'll discuss, Saurabh. Okay, edit plus maybe for Linux version is not available or not, we have to cross check. If it is available we can do. Install Java, I will show. Maybe in the admin part we may cover that. Okay, how to install other softwares like. Okay, that's all. Just take few minutes break and then I will continue. So the session will start after 10 minutes. Okay, log out and log in. You got it. Okay, Saurabh, maybe edit plus because softwares for Linux platform may not available, then you can't do anything. Okay. What is that, sir? 10 is equal to 20. So I can go for Bath. What it means? Swarup. Swarup. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, was already. Even in my system also it's not working. Have you observed, right? Yeah. Okay. So that is the only option. We have to dig for any other option is there to enable copy paste. Okay, right.